MacBook Air A2337, device not turning on.
Strangely, after connecting the power, the reading stays at 5 volts, with no voltage rise. If the reading were 0 volts, it would suggest a short circuit on the motherboard. The motherboard power circuit seems abnormal. So, we need further inspection. Remove the screws and take off the shielding cover.
Gently remove battery connection. Remove the screws and disassemble the motherboard. Short-circuited component detection done by infrared thermal imaging camera. Remove the short-circuited components and replace the same with new one.